What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center. Man, we have a great one for you today. We're making an amazing Cuban sandwiches, Don's Appliances style. So we just can't make a regular one. We got to make it in the sous vide. So right here, I got a nice 1 pound pork loin. I trimmed it up. I just added a little bit of seasoning to it too, gang, but we're gonna add some Dijon spicy mustard. We're gonna throw a little hot sauce on it and then a little garlic. We're gonna pop that right in our sous vide system from Signature Kitchen Suites. It's gonna be amazing. So let's open this guy up. Let's coat this with a good tablespoon of grain mustard, just like this. And guys, it'll add all the flavor. If you're familiar with the sous vide system, we pressure lock all of this good flavor. And it really helps out. Gives a great texture, especially something lean like pork loin. It just helps out a super ton. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic to that jam, okay? Tablespoon of salt, half table of black pepper. And then guys, I got a nice little hot sauce here. We're gonna just drizzle over it, and we're just gonna give it a smear before we put it in the bag, okay? We'll let this guy, just the back of the spoon, just get a nice crust on the top. We'll put this off to the side. We're gonna have some onions. So I got 1 white onion, crew, and we're just gonna slice this onion down. I'm gonna sous vide it in the pork just to get a good flavor, and this is really gonna set a little game changer for our Cuban sandwich, okay? Nice like that. Just nice thicker slices. So in the bag we're gonna go, okay? Just take it right here. We're gonna put our onions on the bottom. Nice little base for our pork loin to live, okay? Line it all up. And then I got a little parsley. It's just gonna add a little freshness and a little bit of flavor to this great pork loin, okay? Slide this guy over as gently as you can. Let's get it in the bag without making a super mess, which it's not that bad, okay? Now make sure this guy is nice and clean. We'll sear this up. Right here. Let's get the seal on. And we wanna, extract all that air out of this guy. Never gets old, that's pretty sweet. All right, that's great. And guys, if you're a prepper, you guys want to do this ahead of time, you could do this the day before, get it all ready to rock and roll, especially if you're doing a bunch of these. So, once you do it, you never turn back, I always say. So, open this guy up. Here is our cryo bag. Look at that, the onions on this guy, the herbs, just the hot sauce and everything. This is gonna go in the drink, guys. We're gonna put this up to about 165, 170 degrees, and this is gonna sous vide for, let's say, 30 to 60 minutes, depending on, when you wanna serve it. But 30 minutes, it should be fine. 60, you can take it out to really draw out some of that flavor. So let's rock and roll. All right, guys, pork loins right out of the sous vide. It was around 40 minutes or so, but I just feel great texture on these onions. Let's open this guy up. Let's see what we got. Oh, check this out. Pork loin comes right out. Great texture and color on it. We'll put that on our board. We're gonna bring our onions too. Look how much water is in them, but look at the tenderness. That's excellent stuff too. Gonna take this out. Don't forget all the goods. All right, take all these. I got one more. There it is. Okay. All right, let's take these over to the Thermador grill. All right, crew, on the Thermador 48. We got the griddle hot to about 400, nice and preheated right here. So we're gonna sear this pork loin and caramelize these onions. And now we're gonna add our baguette, and we're really gonna toast the bottom bun for our Cuban, which is gonna make this out of sight. So let's jump right in here. We'll put this right on the front. We're gonna put our onions right here, okay? Just to get those guys working. And then we're gonna get our bun in here too. So guys, I just buttered it a little bit, but I just want it down nice and flat too, just so everything can cook all simultaneously. Look at that. 3 to 5 minutes on this, crew. All right, guys, we got about 5 minutes. We got a nice sear on everything. Let's pull the buns off. Let's pull everything off and put it in our pan right here. Pick this up. Look at that. Perfect golden brown, edge to edge. It's gonna be an amazing one. Let's pick this guy up too. Give it a nice flip. Look at that. Nice little caramelization. Move these up just a little bit, just to break them up. They'll be easier for the sandwich. All right. Put these guys all on. All right, thank you, thermidor. Let's go to the cutting board. All right, crew, let's make this sandwich. Got our toasted bun right here. We got some full grain mustard, nice, heavy, 3 tablespoons. Coat both top and the bottom. It's the only way I do my Cuban. Okay, get it all. There it is. All right, let's layer some ham down. Perfect, perfect. Now I'm gonna put a couple slices of Swiss right here, and then I'm gonna put some on top of pork too. Me, I gotta have extra cheese on it, all right? Put this off to the side. So let's check out our sous vide pork. Let's see how great this looks. Wonderful. Look at the juice, look at the texture in here. Looks just about perfect. Got a little spice on it, a little season. Look at that. We'll layer all that right on here, shingle it right onto our amazing sandwich. Right in sous vide, we grilled it right on the thermidor. Perfection. Gotta top it with our caramelized onions and sous vide onions, I would say. A little more cheese, and then we're putting a hat and a pickle on this and calling it a day. Smells so good, looks amazing. Dropped a couple pickles, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be eating this thing in minutes. Let's take this off. Oh, gotta do the knife in the center. Jeez. Look at this Cuban sandwich. One thing left to do, man. We gotta taste this. I gotta cut this in the center. Pick a clean center bite. Going in for it, going in for the win. I'm gonna get another bite. Mustard, tender pork, grilled bun, great onions. Little spice from that hot sauce in there. Finishing all around. Not sharing this one with anyone but you guys, man. If you have the sous vide system, you have the grill, use all of your appliances from Don's and make this amazing Cuban sandwich. Thanks, crew.